marks. And the police can't fade me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Brianna Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, stop and do me a favor and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Today we're gonna be doing like a Best Buy kind of unboxing. I bought my first camera and I'm like really excited to show you guys. It's a Canon, you know what? Let's just go ahead and get right into it. So one night, like I really couldn't sleep and I was like, you know what? I need a camera. So I did a little bit of reviews on Best Buy. There's like a option where it shows you like new cameras for beginners or whatever it is. I'll put the exact verbiage in the description box below, but it just shows you like easy to use, beginner friendly camera options, and this one was definitely on there. So after I read through the reviews, it was like 2 pages of reviews. After that I was like, you know what, like this is definitely a go. I was convinced and I definitely went ahead and purchased this one. I also purchased a few accessories that I'm going to show you guys first. I got this carrying case. It's so cute. It's really spacious inside, and this little divider is removable. It's like a Velcro connection on the inside. So I'll put my lens here obviously, and then the body of the camera here. It does come with these little D-rings where you can connect the strap for easy carrying. At the bottom it does have like rubber prongs, so I guess when you set it flat it doesn't really like damage the bottom of the bag. And then on the other side it's just like another little compartment, I guess. I'll figure out what I'll put in here, but for sure really great purchase. This was only like 20 bucks, so I definitely went ahead and got that too as well. And then here there's a little pocket for like your storage cards right here. So I feel like this was a really great buy. You know, when you're checking out on websites, like it shows you like all the other accessories that you need. People who bought this also bought that. So that's kind of how they got me on that. I also bought a tripod. This one goes as tall as 58 inches. It does have the little screw for where you put the camera. I like this one. I did read the reviews again. Like I said, I was up really late one night and I was just like, you know what, like let me just go ahead and dive deep into this, because this is an investment, y'all. And you want to make sure that what you get is not just of great quality, but also that people have experienced it and it's a true testament to like that entry level, like beginner friendly, especially if you haven't had a camera like myself. So this one, it's really lightweight actually. It's only like about maybe about 2 pounds. So I'll open it and set it up for you guys later. I also got the memory card to go with the camera. I got 128 gig to start off, and this is what it looks like. This one was only 20 bucks too as well, and so was the stand. I think like everything totaled me about like 6 something with the camera and all of the accessories. So I feel like that was a great steal. There was another one on there that actually came with 2 lenses, but I'm pretty sure like it's so hard to get that one because it was like not available online, not available at any nearby stores, and not available for pre-order. Like it was just not available. So I'm pretty sure like that one was probably like top tier. So let's get into the camera, y'all. It's a Canon Eos M50. This is what the box looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. So when you open it, this is what inside looks like. Obviously the instruction manuals that myself and I'm probably most of you guys do not read. Here's the charging. Oh, the charger for the battery. Oh, this is convenient. So this is what it looks like. And I like this, you know, great for like travel. Just kind of pop that flat and go. It does come with a little strap if I don't want to carry my bag, if I'm just going outside to take pictures. And then this is what the battery looks like, guys. hold on to that. And now for the grand reveal, we'll start with the lens. They really packaged this stuff up. It's like bubble wrap and then like an additional plastic wrap just to kind of keep everything safe. So I love that. So it does come with the cap on the back and on the front. And let's get the body of the camera out, y'all. Like I said, everything is double wrapped for the most part, just to kind of keep everything safe and protected. And this is what she looks like. One of the reasons that I was drawn to this one is because of this feature. The screen is able to just kind of rotate. So when I'm filming, I'm able to see myself on there, which is pretty good. It does have the little rings for where you can attach that strap that I had showed you guys earlier. And this is what she looks like. So let's just go ahead and put her together. Get the battery inside. I'm so excited, guys. I haven't had like a camera besides like my phone since like I was maybe 20 or so. My mom would buy us cameras for Christmas and we'd go outside and like take pictures of each other. That's like when high five was popping. I know a lot of you guys don't know anything about high five. You guys are probably more like MySpace, but that was when high five was popping. So we took our own pictures for high five. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that front cap so I can go ahead and attach my lens. I don't want to hurt. I don't want to scratch nothing because I will cry. And this is what it looks like once I have taken everything off. That's the part that attaches to the camera. And then this is obviously the front. And then you obviously have like your different measurements and stuff on here that I'll probably have to get familiar with because, like I said, this is my first like official camera. Oops. Struggling. Okay, all right. So we're just gonna go ahead and power it on. And this is what that screen looks like. It's asking for like the date and time. I'll set that up later. Okay, so I'm gonna take a brief pause and I'm gonna switch out from my phone camera to this camera and we'll see if there's a visible like recording difference. Okay, y'all, so I'm about like 5, 6.5, 7-ish. And this is how tall the tripod stand gets at its highest height with the camera. So it's pretty tall, like it's about as tall as I am. So 100% recommend this one. And I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like set up from head, well not from head to toe, from top to bottom. But I feel like this was a really great investment. So now let's just see what that camera lens do. Wait. oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. It's doing something for me. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Hey, ooh. Hey, ooh. Oh, okay, y'all. So, in addition to the camera, you do have to download the Canon app on your phone. And that's why I was just looking at my phone screen at the beginning. Because, wow, okay, this is amazing. Okay. All right, guys. So far, 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm going to keep playing with it. I'm going to shoot some photos today. I love it. Like, who is this? Yes, it's just giving everything that needed to be given at this moment. Okay, All right, guys. Well, thanks again for stopping by. Don't forget to hit subscribe button down below. I'll include all of the links to the items purchased also in the description box below, and the link to the app if you decide to purchase this camera. Y'all, I 10 out of 10 recommend. So let's go get some pictures in. Oh, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. It's at Brianna, BriannaR.N, and you'll see some of the pictures from this beautiful new camera. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.